Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KLSE. So today market slow down a little bit. So today is our another morning session, 10-minute session. Don't forget, you guys, if you haven't signed up trading account, don't forget to check out. Go to the description there. Okay, you can sign up CMB, CGS-CIMB iTrade account. From the link at the bottom. Not at the bottom, at the description area. Okay. So don't forget, like, subscribe. Hey, wait. Don't forget also like, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay. So let's check out the disclaimer before we continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out the KLCI first. So KLCI today slowed down expected after so many day push. Yesterday, right, video, we already expected there will be some slowdown, maybe a little correction before possible continue going up. So today's sentiment for the 7, gainers 33321, losers 355. So losers is slightly higher. Volume not so big, also 1.110. Okay for now, for holiday season 0.88 down 0.06%, not a lot So today consumer down 0.05, industry up 0.0. Industry still up so industry still okay, right? We expected last week from our weekly analysis, right, from our this sector analysis, we expected industry to be quite good this week So consumption down 0.2, technology is down 0.18, finance down 0.09, property down up 0.08. So nothing much plantation up down 0.78. RET down 0.9, quite a lot. Energy up 0.02, healthcare up 0.32, little bit. Telecommunication up 0.13, transportation down 0.05, utility down 0.29. So not too much, okay, nothing too much to brag about. Let's look at KLCI. So KLCI, okay, slow down here, around here, which I said there is possible there is a resistance here There's a resistance here due to this top and this top around here a bit higher. Somewhere around here there is a resistance over here, so start to slow down. As I said, as I would think that it would probably, I said right, it would probably have a correction first, or then it come back here. Either it retest here, if it manage to hold, then it should be able to go up. If it drop below, then you might need to change our strategy already. Remember, our strategy line is here, right? Okay, as long as the price hold above this line, okay, hold above 1525, we are bullish. We are bullish in the market, right? Okay. Let's check out the good momentum stock. Okay, the good one, Genetech, still haven't break out. Trying to break out, haven't break out. A-Tech, no chart to see the new company. SAM, too small volume. Maybe do we want to look at SAM? No, too small volume. BURSA, I want to take a look later. UWC, take a look. 2.6. See this one, GREATECH. GREATECH, maybe you want to take a look GREATECH, maybe take a look. CE cap. CEKD. Wait CEKD is a relative new stock The chart the chart is very just 2 month chart lah, nothing much to analyze. But take a quick look, right? CKD, if you bought high, right? Maybe you want to take a here lah, CKD, right? If you buy high, right? Let's say somewhere here. Oh, now there's a breakout over here. So if you already bought high, then maybe it's a chance to run lah, CKD lah. Or want to buy in or not? Maybe this one I need to do more research lah. But if you guys really buy high one over here, a lot of people bought over here, right? Around 90 cent, 95 cent, 1 ringgit. So this is opportunity to run first, CKD. So other than that, some volume DNO, we talked about it already. Axiata, DuFu got some volume here. Okay, take a look at DuFu, see. DuFu got something on, Hold on, Okay, DuFu, we got something, You got something here, HSL too late. HSL too late to chase, Already went too far already. This one better don't chase, DuFu today got something here. DuFu, right, is, if you already buy high, it's your chance to run, This one, is your chance to run. But if the price can go to 4.2, right, I think there is a possibility that price might come to 4. Here first. You look at here. There's a possibility price might go to 4.4. Then you have to look at this area. Okay, whether it can break out or not. If it can break out above 4.6, then means you want to continue to go. Okay, if it cannot break up, maybe it will come back down, because we got a top channel over here. Okay, we got a channel play. But this is a downtrend channel. It's not an uptrend channel, not so good. This is a downtrend channel, right? So when it come back here, it might push it down. So this one maybe have a short-term play. Watch 4.46, around 4.46, maybe I put it here. Yeah, put it here lah. 4.5, 4.56. Watch this area. Okay, so if this one continue to go above 4.26, this one can continue go above 4.26. I think maybe this one got a short-term play towards 4.5, 4.5 area, 4.5, 4.56 area. But this one you have to be careful, because this one already in a correction mode means it haven't break out one. This is a bit peak, a bit bottom here. The really big opportunity is here 4.56. If you can go through 4.56, then this is the most important one. Whether you want to invest or not. So I put an alarm here When it goes out, that one, then only that one is the best. It's the better. Maybe you want to add So if we can hold above 4.26 tonight, maybe can pick some bottom, go through 4.56, see what happen. Okay, if we cannot go through, then it might come back down. If we can go through, then we want to add. DuFu. Okay, other than that, we want to take a look at this few TAKAFUL, there is a friend asking about TAKAFUL. I think there is some big VIP talking about TAKAFUL so I will not elaborate a lot just simple I don't want to there are some others Sifu already explained, so I don't want to dive in too much So this one TAKAFUL is a long-term play long-term play, pick bottom possible. There's a pick bottom over here, looks like a bottom, a reform. Maybe you want to try to pick bottom if I want to pick bottom around 3.8 3.8, maybe I want to pick bottom. Then maybe after it goes through 4.0, maybe I want to add but this one is very long-term play long-term play this one is in the downtrend it's pick bottom it's not like you're buying the momentum one. It's like it's going up it's actually dropping quite fast. It's actually dropping downtrend and it's dropping faster. It's trying to make a bottom, but now there is a big gap down today. Because you know, this insurance, right? The flood, right? Big flood, they are going to cost them the claim, right? It's the insurance claim on the flood probably will cost a lot of them a lot of their profit, right? So this one, TAKAFUL, I'm not sure TAKAFUL whether they do general insurance or not. Okay, but you see, right? There's a big gap over here, so this one TAKAFUL, you have to be patient, long term. You have to play, But for me, we short to mid term one. This one, I not my type of stock, Okay. I'm not saying this is not good, If you can hold long term few years, I think this one should. I think this one will rebound, after all the disaster, pandemic all go through, BURSA. Okay, BURSA also is trying to rebound, this one, got this BURSA also top, right, today. Yeah, BURSA also top, BURSA and UWC, we want to take a look, BURSA, maybe short term rebound, CIMB give 7.48, another 8.2. This one maybe we got short term rebound over here, 5-16%. But this is downtrend, this is very strong downtrend, This is opportunity for you guys who bought high, over here, or bought over 7-8 ringgit. Maybe it's a chance to run, You ask to invest or not. Every day KLCI like this volume, right? You think want to invest in BURSA or not? BURSA make money from high turnover, right? Now Malaysia is in lowest turnover, right? Lowest turnover period, right? You want to buy the BURSA stock or not? I mean, it's not. I'm not saying that it's totally no chance, but you can think, yeah, up to you, This one, Maybe I think this one opportunity to run, for me. UWC also quite got some momentum today. Take a quick look, UWC. Okay, UWC got some momentum, but haven't go through here. Go through 6.01 first, then only you want to think about, maybe you want to talk about it. So UWC is trying to rebound from, yeah, he's trying to, but it really broke down from the, this one, UWC also jadi, went up here. We thought it can continue higher, but it come back down. Maybe this one already kena stop loss already. This one wait for a few more days first, wait for it to stand above 6.0. Then we rethink whether we want to go in or not. Maybe this one we wait and see a bit. TAANN, that day I really talked about TAANN here. Not mistaken, I talk about TAANN around here, 3.2, right? Okay, 3.2 area around here. Okay, when I said when it dropped back below 3.2 run, so our first target heading up to 3.5, and now almost hit the 3.5 target really. Okay, can it go higher? 50-50 this one. I'm not very confident it can go higher, but 3.5, I think it should be no problem. SPSETIA also got some momentum today. Take a quick look. SPSETIA need to hold above 1.385 first. Wait tonight, see whether it go back inside the channel. Or if it go back inside the channel, I think this one got chance. Okay, got chance to play. Bottom channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel. Okay, because buy bottom channel, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel. Because KAF still got one target over here. So this one maybe still got chance. Okay, we wait tonight. GREATECH, take a quick look, GREATECH. So today market not so strong. Got a little bit of momentum, but not very strong. GREATECH nothing much yet. GREATECH nothing much. Still like that. Broke down below sideways. We already profit over here last time. Okay, so now it's trying to make a rebound over here. Still nothing, not that much to talk about. Yeah, downtrend channel. Downtrend channel still persists. Maybe break above here, then only we want to talk about it. Break above 6.99, then only we want to talk about it. GREATECH. Greatech, I highlight it first. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget, in the evening, there are our full review, okay, full daily analysis. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.